everybody, this is our first vlog of the year here from Paultons Park, and you'll notice I have someone different with me today. My best friend Rico, he's joining us. It's going to be an exciting year. Let's go. Right then, we're here in Tornado Springs. We're not going to stop because we really want to get in the queue as fast as we can. Storm Chaser, what an incredible castle with some incredible theming. Here we go! Oh, the Storm Chaser! Here we go, join up to the little queue. Everybody's so small! Here we go! Storm Chaser, that helix is incredible. Next, we're going on to Windmill Towers. Right then, here we go. We're off on the drop tower on Windmill. I forgot the name of it now. Windmill something. Woo! Like it, isn't it? Hey, do you like it then? So we've just done Windmill Towers, and the pipe ride's really intense. Well, not really intense, but very good. We've got it all on the GoPro now. We're going to do the Cyclonator. on second track. There's a refit. It's absolutely incredible. Right then, next, off to the Caterpillar coaster. So, after a slightly uncomfortable ride on the Caterpillar coaster, we are going to have a little break for lunch. We will see you afterwards in the Lost Kingdom. So, we've had lunch and now my friend Rico is back in front of the camera again and he's going to tell us how he feels about his first day out of the family days.
It's been awesome, to be honest. I'm really grateful, and if I were to be honest, I feel like I'm crazy saying this, but the Cyclonator probably my favourite so far.
He is crazy.
Right then, now we've had a great spot of lunch, we're going to move on to the Lost Kingdom and fly to the pterosaurs. Here we go! Oh! I did kind of forget to film though. Although, what were your thoughts on the previous two coasters, like the Pterosaur and Dino Chase?
They were both a lot more fun than I expected. But a flight of the Pterosaurs, I was very, very nervous, as I thought my legs were going to hit something. And then this one was just, I tried to stay in my seat as much as I could.
You get more airtime than you imagined, don't you?
Yeah.
Right then, here we go. The floor is lowering down on Velociraptor and we are going backwards up the lift hill. Oh god, it's actually quite scary. Oh yeah, that's better. That's better. It does need a bit of a repaint, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
Doesn't it? Jesus Christ.
Here we go. Done Velociraptor, oh incredible, absolutely incredible. Then
And then we just Poulton and get very close calls with some of the other cars, as you can see at the POV there. What are your thoughts on all of the three rides we've just done?
Well, I'm going to start off with this one and go backwards. So this one, a lot more intense than I thought it would be, but still great fun for any of you who want to try it. The one before this, which I forgot the name,
Dinosaur Torco.
Dinosaur Torco, that's the name. That was very interesting. Though I got kind of wet in that one.
Oh, the dinosaur get you, did he?
Yeah. And the last one, the Velociraptor. There's only one word I can describe that with, and it's like, ah! It was so much fun, but it was just
Really fast?
Yeah, it's really fast, but it's awesome.
Right then, next up, the log flume. So, we've just been off and off. We probably didn't get any more breakfast, but the GoPro just wouldn't work with chest mount and whatnot. And I tell you what, I'm a bit flat, but it's not too bad and it's manageable. What are your thoughts?
My thoughts is that I've got the worst of the people squirting over there. But it was definitely a lot of fun.
So now we are done the log flume. We are now going to go to the go-karts. We are champions! We won the go-kart race. Me and Jane, what a team! Better than Rico and my dad. What a champions! Next, we're up on Cobra. Here we go up the lift hill on Cobra. Oh. Do you like it or not then, Rico? You're a bit scared of the upwards. Yeah, that was scary but fun. No, you'll enjoy this bit. God. Whoa! Hands in the air! I'm not putting my hands in the air! Sorry, Rico. One more. Here we go. Oh God, I'm scared about this one. Helix! 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 Right then, Bunny Hills! Wow, that was an incredible ride, absolutely incredible. What do you think, Rico?
Oh my God, scary as,
Rico,
but amazing.
Right, just say our thoughts on Cobra. Anything else you'd like to share?
Alright, well, it was very scary, but it was just honestly amazing and fun-wise. Oh, I'm looking forward to next times.
Right, and now we're going to head over to Magma, our final ride of the day. Right then, here we go on Magma. We are off. Oh, I've got a very loose restraint. And the go-karts are going round down there. That makes up for a GoPro. That makes up for a go-kart POV. There you go, everybody. They'll tease you a couple of times. No, we go right to the top now, I believe. They tease you a little bit first. They do a small drop, then you do a bigger drop, and then you do a bigger drop. They look a little teaser, tease you a little bit more. They'll bring you back up, and then they'll drop you. Oh God! Oh! It's horrible! Oh! Physical workout! Physical workout! That was really good fun!
That was so much fun.
Wave at everybody. See how many waves you get, George. See how many waves you get. Come on. Let's see how many you get. See how many you get. Oh, that's 2. That's 3. Oh my gosh, that's nearly a full hour so far. Come on, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Everyone keep waving. Yeah, they're all waving. Tell them they're going to be on Family Day Trippers. Yeah.